Nothing is worse than being in Italy, surrounded by all these wonderful people that you would love to get to know, and then feeling completely unable to communicate and just going silent. So today I'm sharing 13 phrases on how to compliment people and things so you can spread the positivity and make people happy. Be sure to hit subscribe so you can get weekly tips and tricks on becoming conversational so you can build meaningful connections. If you're new to my channel, ciao, mi chiamo Maria, and because I went through this learning process myself, I've helped hundreds of people go from zero to conversational Italian so they could build meaningful connections in Italy and build friendships that last. And if you want to go further with your pronunciation and speaking skills and you want to have a whole online program all laid out for you, then check out the link in the description where we can have a one-on-one chat and I'll show you the process from saying your very first words in Italian to holding meaningful conversations, and you can build connections that last a lifetime. Okay, so if you're subscribed, you already know what I'm going to say, but I would love for you to repeat aloud these phrases I'm going to go through right here so you can get a natural feel for saying it yourself. And this way you could develop your own voice and your own sense of communication. To start, we'll go over compliments for people. So repeat after me. Sei fantastico. Sei fantastico. That's masculine. To make it feminine, we're gonna change that O into an A and we'll say, sei fantastica. Sei fantastica. You are fantastic. The next one is bravo, or for feminine, brava. Bravo, brava. It means well done. And we say this in English too. Hai un cuore d'oro. Hai un cuore d'oro. You have a heart of gold. This one there is no masculine or feminine, so it's just plain. Hai un cuore d'oro. Mi fai sempre ridere. Mi fai sempre ridere. You always make me laugh. Mi fai sempre ridere. La tua energia è contagiosa. Your energy is contagious. This next one is a really meaningful compliment, so be sure to save it for special occasions. You have a smile that lights up the room. Hai un sorriso che illumina la stanza. So feel free to pause the video, go back, rewatch it, watch it in 0.5 time slowly, just so you can start saying this yourself and really develop your own natural way of complimenting people. And in the comments, I want you to say one situation in which you would say a compliment like these. And if you have a favorite compliment too, because I know I have one. So now we'll get into compliments for things and objects. I personally say this one a lot, and it's che bei capelli. What beautiful hair you have. Che bei capelli. You have beautiful hair. Buon lavoro. I say this every day to my students. Buon lavoro. Good work. And if you want to take buon lavoro one step further, you can say ottimo or ottimo lavoro. Ottimo lavoro. Great work. Another way you could compliment someone's work is to say che bel lavoro. Che bel lavoro. What beautiful work. A really easy common one that I'm sure you've heard before and probably already use daily is bello or bella. Bello, masculine. Bella, feminine. So if somebody says something, you could just follow up with bello or bella. Beautiful. Nice. And last but not least, we have to do a compliment for food, right? And if you want, I can make a whole video on this. Let me know. The compliment for food is questo piatto è delizioso. Questo piatto è delizioso. This plate is delicious. This dish is delicious. È delizioso. So now that you learned how to give compliments in Italian, you might be wondering how to use this in everyday conversation. And that, my friends, is where the Italian Toolkit comes in and what it's all about. If you're thinking about going to Italy or having those really meaningful conversations with someone and building connections, then all you need to do is click the link in the description below and apply for a call with me where I can guide you through the step-by-step process needed so you can become conversational and have those deep connections with somebody. We'll go through all your conversational goals and struggles and really see if the Italian Toolkit is a good fit. And it'll be fun. I hope these phrases add a spark of brightness into someone's life and enhance your conversations. I'll be back next week with another lesson on conversational Italian, so be sure to like this video, comment your favorite compliment below, and subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post a new lesson. And if you're feeling super daring and conversational today, then you can go ahead and watch our next lesson right here. Grazie mille e buon lavoro. Ciao!